Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so we are looking at some BoxyCharm add-on spoilers. So I do have 4 items to show you. So if you're excited about this video, y'all go ahead and hit your thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified and you don't miss out on no spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which was the reveal of the mystery mascara for BoxyCharm. Well, thank you so much again, Annie Medina to Jada Honey. I hope I'm saying that right. Anyways, Annie says, hey Mandy, I think I'm first again. Yeah, Annie, you got it. You are so quick, honey. I'm so proud of you. And I really appreciate you having your bell on and coming and watching the video. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know, I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, before we dive into this madness, I'm going to put up a 5-second timer. If you're not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and do so. During that 5 seconds, you're going to see a little red heart. It's going to turn a shade of blue for about a half a second, so don't blink. But it's also going to give you good luck for the rest of 2020, and who don't need that right now. So let's go ahead and do that. Well, welcome to the family, guys. Now let's dive into this madness. Again, these are some add-on spoilers for October, and early access for this starts Monday, September 14th, so make sure you mark that down in your calendar. So the first thing that we see, this is where the mascara is going, guys. This is the new CoSass, the Big Clean Volumizing and Lash Care Mascara. Now this was the mystery mascara. This is going to be sold for $12. Next up is the Marc Jacobs Enamored High Shine Lip Lacquer Lip Gloss. Now there is going to be 6 different shades. They are going to be selling this on add-ons for $9, y'all. Next up is the Sunday Riley CEO Vitamin C Rich Hydration Cream. This is going to be sold for $18. And then last but certainly not least is the Zoe Eva Cosmetics. This is the Screen Queen eyeshadow palette, and they are going to have this for $6, y'all. So again, these are only just a few of the add-ons they're going to have. They've always got so many add-ons, but you could get items up to 80% off, guys. So again, make sure you mark that down in your calendar. Early access is Monday, September 14th. So let me know what you think about these items down in the comment section. And of course, as soon as they reveal anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. You know I'm going to keep you in the loop. And as always, BoxyCharm is linked below if you want to go check them out. Now let's read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, thank you so much, Leslie Patrick. Leslie says, woohoo, so very excited. Well, Leslie, I am too, honey. I love seeing what people think about their items, and I really love it when I see people that enjoy the items that they did get and get what they want. Leslie, I really appreciate you coming and watching the video, honey. I love you, girl. And remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to shout out, and guys, double check. Please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to take my subscribers and tell me I don't have any. Yeah, they do it all the time. But if you would check on that, and if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you, and it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago, and YouTube won't fix it. There's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would make sure your notification bell set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. Guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers, so if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for y'all. Love y'all so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.